Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening the app and making a quick account. This links your progress across devices. Once done, enter age, weight, height, and activity level so the app calculates a baseline. Next, pick a goal, maintain, lose, or gain, and select a calorie target from presets or type a custom number. Do this now. It establishes your daily framework and lets the meal generator produce realistic plans you can actually follow. Now you build a usable plan. Choose how many meals and snacks you want per day, because frequency affects portion sizes and hunger management. Then apply diet filters, vegetarian, keto, allergies, and tweak macro targets if you need more protein or less carbs. Generate the daily meal plan, review portions, and swap any recipes you don't like. Lock favorites to preserve them when regenerating. This saves time and makes future plans align with your tastes and schedule. Finish by exporting the grocery list and syncing meals to your calendar so reminders keep you on track. Make sure to log meals or scan barcodes. Accurate tracking keeps the plan effective. If your weight stalls for more than 2 weeks, adjust calories or macros and regenerate a plan. Small changes matter. Finally, if syncing or generation fails, reconnect account services, update the app, or force close and reopen. Then rerun the meal generation to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.